Think you know the best way to boost your immune system? Think again! Today we're diving into the dark secret behind nature's most powerful ingredients. And no, it's not your typical vitamin pill. Let's face it, we're all in a constant battle against colds, flu, and various infections. Despite trying everything from vitamin supplements to the latest health fads, many of us still find ourselves sniffling and coughing, feeling like we're losing this battle. Why? Because most solutions out there don't harness the full power of nature's simplest ingredients. But here's the good news. The solution could be sitting right in your kitchen. I'm talking about a powerhouse combination of ginger, limes, and garlic. These aren't just tasty kitchen staples, they're a formidable quartet against health woes. Each of these ingredients has a history of medicinal use, backed by both traditional practices and modern science. Let's break it down and see how you can easily integrate them into your daily routine. First, ginger. This spicy root, commonly known as ginger, is renowned for its powerful health benefits, particularly in combating inflammation and nausea. The key to its efficacy lies in gingerol, its main bioactive compound, which is responsible for much of its medicinal properties. Gingerol, a natural oil, is the primary active component that gives ginger its distinctive spicy flavor. This compound is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. Studies have shown that gingerol can effectively reduce oxidative stress, which results from having an excess of free radicals in the body. This reduction in oxidative stress is crucial in mitigating chronic inflammation, which can lead to a variety of health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. In terms of combating nausea, ginger is particularly effective. It has been widely used for centuries as a natural remedy for various forms of nausea and vomiting, including morning sickness during pregnancy, motion sickness, and even the side effects of chemotherapy. The exact mechanisms by which ginger alleviates nausea are not fully understood, but it is believed to work by both its direct effects on the stomach and intestines, and its ability to influence the brain and nervous system, which control nausea. Furthermore, gingerol is thought to play a role in pain relief, making ginger a popular natural remedy for menstrual pain, muscle soreness, and other types of pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties help in reducing the swelling and pain associated with these conditions. Additionally, ginger has been studied for its potential to lower blood sugar levels and improve various heart disease risk factors in people with type 2 diabetes. The anti-inflammatory effects of gingerol are believed to be partly responsible for these benefits. It's important to note that while ginger and its compounds like gingerol offer numerous health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation. Excessive intake can lead to undesirable side effects, such as heartburn, diarrhea, and mouth irritation. In conclusion, the spicy root ginger, with gingerol as its main bioactive compound, stands out as a natural remedy with a wide range of medicinal properties. Its ability to fight inflammation and nausea, along with its potential benefits for pain relief, blood sugar control, and heart health, make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Limes. Let's dive into the benefits of lime, a citrus fruit often overshadowed by its cousin, the lemon, but equally potent in its health benefits. Lime, with its zesty flavor and refreshing aroma, is a powerhouse of vitamin C, crucial for bolstering the immune system and fending off colds and flu. But its benefits don't stop there. Limes are also rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and promote healthier skin. They aid in digestion, thanks to their unique flavonoids that stimulate the digestive system and increase the secretion of digestive juices, bile, and acids. Additionally, the acidic content of limes is effective in breaking down the macromolecules of the food, aiding the overall digestion process. Regular consumption of lime can also contribute to weight loss and help manage blood sugar levels, making it a versatile addition to a healthy diet. Whether squeezed into water, added to a zesty dressing, or used to flavor dishes, lime is a simple yet powerful ingredient that offers a multitude of health benefits. Next, garlic. Not just for adding flavor to your pasta, but also for its immune-boosting sulfur compounds. Garlic, a staple ingredient in many kitchens, is celebrated not only for its ability to enhance the flavor of dishes like pasta, but also for its impressive health benefits, particularly its immune-boosting properties. These benefits are largely attributed to its sulfur-containing compounds, which are responsible for its distinctive aroma and taste. The most notable of these sulfur compounds is allicin, which is formed when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is a powerful compound that has been shown to boost the disease-fighting response of certain types of white blood cells in the body when they encounter viruses, such as the common cold or flu. This makes garlic a natural ally in enhancing immune function and warding off illnesses. Beyond its immune-boosting properties, garlic has been found to have a positive impact on heart health. It is known to help lower blood pressure in people with hypertension, thanks to its ability to relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow. Additionally, garlic has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can help prevent conditions like atherosclerosis. Garlic's sulfur compounds also have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a host of health issues, and the antioxidants in garlic help combat oxidative stress, which is a factor in aging and many chronic diseases. Furthermore, garlic has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. Some research suggests that regular consumption of garlic may lower the risk of certain types of cancer, such as stomach and colorectal cancers. This is thought to be due to its ability to reduce inflammation, combat oxidative stress, and potentially inhibit the growth of cancer cells. For those concerned about the pungent smell associated with garlic consumption, it's worth noting that the health benefits are considered to outweigh this minor inconvenience. However, there are also odorless garlic supplements available for those who want the benefits without the smell. It's important to note that while garlic is a healthy addition to the diet for most people, it can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, and may not be suitable for everyone in medicinal doses. And whilst we are here, let's talk about honey as well. Honey, often revered as nature's sweetener, is much more than just a natural alternative to sugar. It is a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly noted for its rich antioxidant content and remarkable antibacterial properties. These antioxidants, including organic acids and phenolic compounds like flavonoids, are crucial in combating oxidative stress in the body, thereby reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. The antibacterial properties of honey are equally noteworthy. It contains hydrogen peroxide and other components like methyl glyoxal, which endow it with its potent germ-fighting ability. This makes honey not only a valuable dietary addition, but also a traditional remedy for wounds and infections, as it can help in preventing bacterial contamination and speeding up healing. Furthermore, honey's soothing texture and anti-inflammatory properties make it a popular choice for relieving sore throats and coughs. Its unique blend of natural sugars also provides a healthier source of calories and energy, making it a preferred sweetener for those seeking a nutritious alternative to refined sugars. Combining these four creates a synergistic effect, enhancing their individual benefits. You can start with a simple tea. Just steep sliced ginger and garlic in hot water, add lemon juice, and sweeten with honey. Imagine this. By incorporating this natural blend into your daily routine, you could see a significant boost in your immune system. We're talking fewer sick days, more energy, and overall better health. This isn't just a temporary fix. It's about building a stronger, more resilient you. So what are you waiting for? It's time to ditch those over-the-counter pills and embrace the natural solution. Start experimenting with these ingredients today and feel the difference for yourself. And hey, if you've enjoyed this video and want more tips on natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy and empowered with nature's best.